So the AP exam could ask you a lot of different style questions to see can you handle the rectangular approximation method. The most common, however, is with a table. Um, so here we're given the table of a rate of change over the interval from 0 to 10. We're not going to worry about units with this one. And we want to estimate the amount of change in the interval. And we're going to use a left Riemann sum. So by doing this, they're saying they want me to use rectangles. Because remember, on the AP exam, when they say Riemann sum, they mean RAM. So I want to do a left RAM of 4 partitions. So I want 4 rectangles. And I can see, okay, from 0 to 2 is going to be one of them. From 2 to 5 is another. From 5 to 6 is a third. And from 6 to 10 is a fourth. So there will be my 4 rectangles. Remember, I said partition means we want them to be equal width if possible. Well, this we don't have an option. We have set widths. So 0 to 2 is going to have a width of 2. 2 to 5 is a width of 3. 5 to 6 is a width of 1. And 6 to 10 is a width of 4. And if it helps, it's perfectly okay to sketch out, hey, here's 0, 2, 5, 6, and 10. And to sketch out our scatter plot here of, okay, so at 1, 4, 9, 12, and 22. I shouldn't connect those though, because I don't know what's happening to the function in between, to the rate of change between these values. But I don't really need any more than this, because all I want to do is say, well, if I'm doing a left Riemann sum, from 0 to 2, I use the left side, which is the 0. So I have a width of 2 and a height of 1. For the second, that's from 2 to 5, which is a width of 3. Left says I use the 2 for the height, so that's a height of 4. For my third rectangle, it's a width of 1. I use the 5 for the height since it's on the left side, so a height of 9. And from 6 to 10 has a width of 4. Go up from the 6, and that's a 12. And so when I go ahead and I could leave my answer exactly like this because I'm not required to simplify. But for those of you who feel compelled to, I believe this is 73. You could have also been asked to do a left Riemann sum of 4 partitions. I'm going to wait for a class example to do a midpoint Riemann sum with this, just because it's a little more complicated if they ask midpoint Riemann sum.